So today we'll be doing some concepts on percentages. So let us proceed with it and see what we can do today. To solve percentages problem very quickly, we need to remember a few things. For example, these fractions 1 by 2, when converted to percentage, 1 by 2 into 100% is 50%. 1 by 3 converted to percentage 33, 1 by 3%. 1 by 4 is 25%. 1 by 5 is 20%. 1 by 6 is 16 2 by 3%. 1 by 7 is 14 2 by 7%. 1 by 8 is 12.5%. 1 by 9 is 11 1 by 9%. 1 by 10 is 10%. 1 by 11 is 9 1 by 11%. 1 by 12 is 8 1 by 3%. 1 by 13 7.69%. 1 by 15 6 2 by 3%. 1 by 16 6 1 by 4%. 1 by 17 5.88%. And 1 by 19 is 5.26%. So what we need to understand is we need to memorize this percentage converted into fractions converted into percentages. So we need to memorize these values. And these are not many values, there are just 10 to 15 values which we need to memorize. And if you memorize these values, the rest other calculations will become very easy to do. We'll see later how calculations become very easy by memorizing these percentages values. So let us see how do we make calculations very easy by memorizing these values. So these are like 4, 5, 15, 16 values we need to memorize. For example, we are asked to convert convert 3 by 8 into percentage. So how to convert 3 by 8 into percentage? So 3 can be written as 3 by 8 can be written as 3 into 1 by 8 percentage. 3 into 1 by 8. And 1 by 8 we know from here is 12.5%. So 3 into 12.5%, which is 37.5%. So easily 3 by 8 has been converted into percentage value. Similarly, other percentage values like 5 by 8, how do we convert this into percent? So 5 by 8 can be written as 5 into 1 by 8 is 5 into 12 1 by 2%. This is 62 1 by 2%. So we have seen how easily the percentage values can be converted into fractions and fractions can be converted into percentage values by just remembering these 15 16 values. So these 15 16 values are of utmost importance to remember. So we need to remember just as much. So let us see some more problems. For example, we need to convert 5 by 6 into percentage. So this can be written as 5 into 1 by 6. Now 5 into 1 by 6, 1 by 6 converted into percentage is 16 2 by 3%. So 5 into 16 2 by 3% This is 83 1 by 3%. Easily we have converted. So we will see some more examples to further clarify how easily percentages values can be converted into fractions and fractions can be converted into percentages values. So I hope up till this point of time the explanation has been properly guided and we'll see some more problems. For example, we need to convert 957 1 by 7%. Convert this into fraction. So you take 1 minute time and try this question by yourself and then we will proceed with how to solve this problem. So you are given a try how to convert this percentage into fraction. Now let us see how to convert this percentage into fraction. We need to understand few things before proceeding with this problem. For example, 100% is 100 by 100, 1. 200% is 200 by 100, 2. Similarly, 300% is 3, and so on and so forth. So 957 1 by 7% can be written as 900 plus 57 1 by 7%. Now 900 can be written as 9 and 57 1 by 7% we just did it here. We haven't done it. So let us see how to convert 57 1 by 7% into fraction. Now 57 1 by 7%. Let us move on to this page. Now let us see. Now convert 4 by 7 into percentage. So this here can be written as 4 into 1 by 7%. 4 into 1 by 7%. 4 into 1 by 7, which is 4 into 1 by 7 is 14 2 by 7%. 1 by 7 is 14 2 by 7%. So 14 2 by 7%. So this is 57 1 by 7%. So 57 1 by 7% is nothing but 4 by 7. 57 1 by 7% is nothing but 4 by 7. So we can put in the values here. 57 1 by 7% is nothing but 4 by 7. And solving this, 9 plus 4 by 7. This is 7. 9 7 is 63 plus 4. 67 by 7. So 957 1 by 7 when converted into fraction is 67 by 7. So let us see some more problems based on this. We need to remember few more fractions. For example, 1 by 40 is nothing but 2 1 by 2%. 1 by 30 is nothing but 3 1 by 3%. So these many values we need to remember. So these are not many values. These are just 15 to 20 values which you need to remember. And if we are able to remember these values, calculations becomes very easy. So I would recommend you to memorize these values to your heart and then proceed with the given problems. Now let us do another problem. How to convert 527 1 by 2% into fraction. Convert it into fraction. So take 1 minute of your time in solving this question and then we'll proceed with the solution. So let us see how to proceed with this problem. So 527 can be written as 500 plus 25 plus 2 1 by 2%. Now 500 is 5, 25% is 1 by 4, and 2 1 by 2% we see in this table. 2 1 by 2% is 1 by 40. So we needed to memorize this. 2 1 by 2% is 1 by 40. 1 by 40. Now let us convert this into fraction. The LCM is 40. 5 4s are 20 plus 10 plus 1, which is 211 by 40 is the required answer. So like this we need to convert. So you may ask that how do we know that we need to break up like this? So for that we need to remember this table and we need to do a lot of practice. We need to do a lot of practice to get acclimatized to how to break up the fraction so that easily we obtain the answer. So let us do one more problem. How to convert 483 1 by 3% into fraction. How to convert 483 1 by 3, 83 1 by 3% into fraction. So you take 2 minutes of your time and then we'll proceed with the solution. So let us see how to proceed with this problem. Now 483 1 by 3% can be written as 400 plus 83 1 by 3%. 400 can be written in the fraction as 4 plus 83 1 by 3% we have already done. 83 1 by 3% is 5 by 6. So all these fractions are very commonly used: 3 by 8, 5 by 8, 5 by 6, 4 by 7. So if I can remember all these fractions also, then it will become far more easier to solve the problems. So 5 by 6 is 83 1 by 3%. So 83 1 by 3% is 5 by 6, nothing but 5 by 6. And just solve it. 6 4 20, 6 is the LCM. 6 4 so 24 plus 5, 29 by 6. Next is 428, 4 by 7%. So this can be broken up as 400 plus 28, 4 by 7%. This is 4 plus 2 by 7, as 1 by 7 is 14, 2 by 7%. So 2 by 7 is 28, 4 by 7%. And this solved as 7 4 are 28 plus 2. 30 by 7 is the fraction value. So I'll give you a few more problems. You try by yourself and then we'll proceed with the solution. 840%, 491, 2 by 3%. So do these two and then we'll see. Take 2 minutes of your time, do these two, and then we'll see other variety of problems. So let us see how to proceed with this problem. 840 can be written as 800 plus 40%. Now 800 is 8, 40%, 20% is 1 by 5. So 40% is 2 by 5. So 8 plus 2 by 5, 40 plus 2, 42 by 5 is the required answer. Next is 491, 2 by 3%. 491, 2 by 3%. So how can be written this one? So this can be written as 4 plus 400 plus 91 2 by 3%. 400 is 4 and 91 2 by 3, if you solve it, it is 11 into 1 by 12. 11 into 1 by 12 is 8 1 by 3%. 1 by 12 is 8 1 by 3%. So 11 by 12 is 11 into 8 1 by 3%, which is 91 2 by 3%. So this is 4 plus 11 by 12, 12, 48 plus 11, 59 by 12. So we have done problems in this way. Now let us see problems in a reverse way. Let us see problems in a reverse way. How to convert 23 by 6 into percentage. So 23 by 6 can be written as 4 minus 1 by 6. 4 is 400% and 1 by 6 is 1 by 16 2 by 3%. 16 2 by 3%. So 400% minus 16 2 by 3% is 383 1 by 3%. So I have solved one problem for you. I'll give you two more questions. You try this for 2-3 minutes and then we'll proceed with the solution. 57 by 11. Convert 57 by 11 into percentage and convert 5 by 6 into percentage. Do these two problems. Take 2 minutes of your time and do these two problems. So let us see how to proceed with these two questions. The first one is 57 by 11. So how do we break this? We can write it as 5 plus 2 by 11. 5 plus 2 by 11. Now 5 is 500%, plus 2 by 11 is 2 into 1 by 11. So 500 plus 2 into 9 1 by 11%. So 500 plus 18 2 by 11%. So this is 518 2 by 11%. Next is 5 by 6. Next is 5 by 6. So this can be written as 1 minus 1 by 6. Or this is 100 minus 1 by 6 is 16 2 by 3%. 1 minus 16 2 by 3%. This is 83 1 by 3%. So we have covered some important concepts of percentages today. How to convert these basic values into fractions, into percentages, and remember these values. These 15, 20 values we need to memorize. And then we did some applications. We did some applications, how to convert percentages into fractions and how to convert fractions into percentages by memorizing these conversion values. So I hope the concepts are clear and some problems have also been taken up. So I would recommend you to do practice at your end to get further more acclimatized to these kind of problems. And I hope this video is helpful to you in some way. So we'll conclude this video today and we'll meet again tomorrow to see what else we can do. Thank you.